Hey friends, welcome to World Expo YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel if you are not subscribed yet. China Pavilion Expo 2020 Dubai is an icon of hope and a wonderful future. It will combine traditional Chinese aspects with modern architectural ideas. The Chinese Pavilion will be one of the biggest pavilion at Expo 2020 Dubai with 4,636 square. It is designed in harmony with the principle of the contrast of Chinese and Western tradition with Chinese culture as the basis. It will dramatically display China's intense culture and long-lasting history by delicately integrating the Chinese aspects with latest technologies. China is officially a country in East Asia, the People's Republic of China, and is the world's most crowded country, with a population of around 1,428 billion till 2017. Owning approximately 9,600,000 square kilometers, it is the third largest country in terms of area. China is famous for its tourist attractions, and aside that, China is also famous for different inventions. China is well known for as a producer of many popular and strong teas. China's growing economy speed and rate makes it among most strong countries in the globe. Features of China Pavilion to witness Chinese creations and innovations at its magnificent. To watch dazzling and impressive light shows in the park of the pavilion, to experience 5G, AI and bright progress. It will hold more than 100 exciting programs, such as opening and closing events of Chinese Pavilion. China's Pavilion theme is building a society with a divided future for mankind, creation and opportunity. China's Pavilion will underline China's creative, scientific and technological developments in the area of information, science and technology, and transportation, adding the fast, BeiDou satellite, 5G technology and artificial intelligence, and advertise the Belt and Road, as well as the theory of building a society with shared future for mankind. It will elaborate on China's concept of innovative development, display new opportunities China has escorted to the world through educational and technological innovations. China has been accomplished to promoting opening up and collaboration and calming development through the Expo. China will also share its experiences and follow up exchanges and coordination with UAE and other participants of Expo. Technologies promote smart experience. A road show to nurture China's participation in Expo 2020 Dubai was booted off recently at the International Floriculture Exhibition in Beijing. Tencent has become a formal partner of China Pavilion, goal enhancing visitors' experiences, creative active experiences through technologies. China Pavilion will focus on showcasing China's scientific and technological developments in information and transience. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more.